strips of paper. Cut A4 paper into the following sizes. Fold the 5 by 21 centimeters paper in half and secure it with double-sided tape. Attach it to the 3 by 21 centimeters paper strip. Fold the long strip twice into an M shape and secure it with tape to form the airplane body. Trim the edges. Glue on 2 circles for the eyes, and you're done. Did you learn how to make it? Give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe.